Morning, dude. Right, here he is. Golf Mark 6 or 5 and a bit as you call it. So basically we've got front door speakers have already been changed. We did the head unit a while ago, but it's seen some better days. So he's had a windscreen replaced, which has ruined the DAB aerial, and his microphone for some reason is now held up with sellotape. Head unit is non-responsive. It's Kenwood and it's old and it's starting to glitch and mess about. He's blown his rear speakers. There's a weird little rattling in the door. There is a 7 amp in here already. So what he wants me to do is put a Pioneer in here. Change the rear speakers. So we're going to put a set of kickers, cheap ones, DS's in the back, just to give him sound again. New Pioneer in the front. So I'm going to get cracking on this. This is my job today. Right, let's start with the doors. See you in a bit. Right then guys, despite being stood with the customer and him saying rears, we took it apart. Obviously we've just got the blank in the door here. There's not actually a speaker. He meant fronts. I don't know why. He watched me write it in the diary, rears. But anyway, so we've changed the fronts because these are an old set of kickers that we did many moons ago. And now he's upgrading for a newer set. I probably did this stereo install about 5-6 years ago now. So it's been a while since it's had a bit of a refresh, but we're going to crack on, do the other side. See you in a bit. Right then guys, we are done. He's finished. Just jump in here a minute. Right, so we got new microphone, new DAB aerial, new head unit, same fascia kit, new speakers in the doors. So that's it. This one's finished. I'm gonna give him a call, get him to come pick it up. But it should just be what he wanted. Nice flat radio, bit of sounds, bit of music, no more funky sounds from the speakers. Happy days. See you in a bit. Job done. Oh, right then boys, we're just about done for Thursday. Is it Thursday today? Golf's gone, he's happy, speakers work, sound system works, head unit works, just perfect. And then what's just rocked up, hey? My trim tools. So you get all of this. So you get a little lean-in bar, you get a thin one, an angled one with teeth on the edge, which is quite cool. Lever, pointy, thinner, pointy, curved, with a ringlet, and that, the one I wanted. And I bought 2 sets. These are £5 each. The one I need from Snap-on is a tenner, and there ain't much difference. Plastic's plastic, right? Still as stiff, with a little bit of give, but nice edges, nothing sticking out. But it's not a bad little kit for a £5. I'll take that every day. Come on, Snap-on, up your game. But that's it, we're done for today. I've done a few stock orders. We've got lots of stuff going on. The forklift's in here because I think I've got a guy who wants to come and buy this, so I'm going to use a forklift to put it on the bed, get that gone. I'm just waiting for him to rock up. Tomorrow, let's have a look what we got. Been a crazy old day. Qashqai and the Ford Cougar. So we got the Ford Cougar, this kit, and a Pioneer 160, and we've also got these leads. We haven't got the fascia for the Nissan because the fascia's out of stock, but we've got this kit and a radio, this kit and another Pioneer 160, so it's a bit of a head unit day tomorrow. The Cougar's going to be a dash cut. It's fairly full on, so I know that's going to take some time, but it should be nice straightforward day. Friday, and then we're busy Saturday. Got 2 in. We've got the 10.1 fascia kit and infotainment adapter to get all the stuff from the car's system, parking sensors and camera on that. And we've also got the Fiat Ducato, which is having the Pioneer Navi. Now we've decided we're also doing a set of door speakers and dynamat in the front doors, and a wing mount antenna, DAB and FM. So a busy day Saturday. Should be a nice chill day tomorrow, as long as I've not stitched myself up. But other than that, love you and leave you. See you bright and early in the morning. Bye. Morning guys. It's Friday, 7:13. A wet one. We've got a storm coming in. It's going to be very windy, very wet. Bloody armrest, George, right? Yes, it is annoying me somewhat. And it's only getting worse. The teeth are made out of this cast thing that just fails, and sometimes you can flick it like there, get it to grip, you can lean on it right up until the point when you go around the right hand corner, and I'll lean on it, the thing will collapse and I'll end up on wifey's lap. She has a hysterical laughing fit because I nearly fall out the chair. Today we've got the Nissan coming in, the Qashqai. So we got, what are you doing, you absolute muppet? Bus drivers at their finest. We've got Nissan Qashqai coming in that's having a fascia. No, it's not. It's having a wiring harness kit, steering control harness. I don't think we're going to have the reverse camera in stock. It's currently out of stock at MIA, and the fascia is also missing. So we're going to basically do our best to get the radio bolted in. It's only a small surround on the radio, so it's just going to be a bit of a gap, but I'll see what I can fix. That's part of being an engineer, is solving a problem. Reverse camera, yeah, I don't know what we're going to do with that. I'll see if I can pin out the camera, but it may need like a 6-volt input, and I haven't got a converter for that, so that may be a future Alex's problem. And then we've got the Ford Cougar, where the radio is kaput. The lady saved a bit of pennies, and now we're doing fascia kit, Pioneer 160. So dash cut, new plastics, all the other bits and bobs, get everything going, give her some modern touches in a nice car. So that's today. Hopefully nothing else too strenuous. I've got some kicker stuff arriving today. I've got to do a warranty job on this. Funnily enough, the speaker in that door has started buzzing, so that needs to be changed. But Kicker are good to me and they look after me, so I've got a new part coming for that. And then we're on to busy day tomorrow. Not sure what's happening this weekend. I say the weather is a bit of a washout. We are due to have quite extensive wind and rain all weekend, and I do have to do some more accounts. So that's probably going to be like a bit of a nice chill weekend, just getting work done. Thanks, love. But other than that, guys, love you and leave you. See you in a bit. I'm gonna get some brekkie and a coffee. See you soon. Morning, guys. This is a wet Friday. Right, we got our first one in, which is the Qashqai. Now, you know the problem with this, obviously fascia is missing, but fortunately it's quite a small aperture, so the radio is going to have a little gap around it, but nothing too mad. So pop this trim out, unbolt the radio. We got Renault system, as you can tell from the light. It looks like a Renault Megane. DAB aerial, microphone up here, new radio to go down there for a Pioneer, and we should be able to keep the steering controls working. So I'm going to jump on with this one, get some lights on, see you in a bit. Alright guys, there we go. Not too bad. Yeah, there's a tiny little fascia that goes around that, but do you know what? I think we'll pass out. So that one gone, new one in. CarPlay and Android Auto, microphone, digital aerial, USB in the glove box. Job done. In a bit. Right then, my dudes, next one on a roll today. We've got the Ford Cougar. Yeah, dash cut on this one. It's a girly car. So this thing behind here, so this is just the controller, displays there, units behind this. Units failed, so we got microphone to do, digital aerial. Take this out, new fascia in, dash cut to allow the cables and everything to go up to the screen and back down, so we've got, you know, complete interaction with the steering controls and stuff. But this is next, so gonna get my trim tools out, pry out this really stiff stuff and get it out. I've already taken the screws out of this one, thank God, where I did the investigation, so it's just a rip it, strip it. See you in a bit. All right then, afternoon guys. Look everyone, Jono. Can you get me the squeegee, mate? The squeegee. Oh, there, John. There. Black handle thing. Black handle. Yeah. It's persistently raining. This is the storm that we were expecting, but it's coming through the door. Can you just sweep that water out, mate? Yeah. That's it. God, that's a lot of rain. Right, guys. Where are we? We are here. Look. So, let me just turn this down. There we go. He's in. So fascia cut done. Trip, steering controls and everything still works. Radio at the top there still works. This one doesn't have parking sensors or anything like that. But yeah, he's finished. Happy days. Just got to sort out this edging. I'm just going to play with the gap here a little bit, see if I can get this neater. But other than that, good to go. Hazards all work. He's finished. Microphone in the middle, obviously USB in there, DAB aerial over there. So she has, Alfie has her music back. Happy days. Should be pleased. See you in a bit. Right then, dudes, we're done. End of a Friday, happily finished. Let me just shut this all down. And we've got busy day tomorrow. VW in first thing, 10.1. And then we've got the Citroen, no, Ducato. It's having the Pioneer wing mount aerial Dynamat speakers in the doors. So hopefully, although a busy day, should be straightforward tomorrow. We've got all our stuff, we've checked that in. So I will see you bright and early in the morning. Up and down on subscribers. Not sure what's going on there. Some people joining, looking and leaving. That's fine. But if you haven't, press the button. See you soon.